Okay, good afternoon, students. In last class, we discussed about the different type of the bus data register data transfer technique, data transfer operation. Today, we will discuss how the data can be transformed using two different approach. One is the bus transfer, and one is the multiplexer approach. One is the tie-state buffer approach. See, this is a multiplexer approach. Construction common bus a multiplexer, cons considering there is a four register ABCD. That means we have four register: register A, register B, register C, register D. This register are the 4-bit register. We just consider the 4-bit register because the complexity, if we consider the 8 register, 10 register, then there will be more complex diagram. Okay, so just consider this a four register: register A, register B, register C, register D. Okay, is the selection line S0 and S1. We already know the multiplexer, the function of multiplexer. There will be two selection line, then there will be four input line and one output. If there is a three selection line, there will be eight input line and one output line. Okay, so S1, S0 and S1. S0 and S1 is a four multiplexer. We connected this as marks 0, marks 1, marks 2 and marks 3. Okay, when both are 0 0, when the S0 and S1 both are 0 0, that means in marks 0, then in marks 0, 0 bit will be select. For marks 1, 0 bit will be select. For marks 2, 0 bit will be select, and for marks 3, 0 bit will be select. Okay, so 0 bit can connect 0 bit can connect from A0 at that position, B0 in that position, C0 in that position, D0 in that position. Okay, next 1, when 0 1, when S0 and S1 is 0 1 0 1, then marks 1 will be select, and marks 1 is connected with 0 pin to is A1, has 1 pin to B1, 2 pin to C1, and D pin to 3 pin to D1, like this. Okay, same as A2 as for marks 2, A2, B2, C2, D2, and marks 4, marks 3, A3, B3, C3 and D3. That means when the S0 and S1 S0 and S1 is 0 0 0 0, that means the on the 0 number pin of marks 0 will be select, 0 number pin of marks 1 will be select, 0 number pin of marks 2 will be select, 0 number pin of the marks 3 will be select. That means 0 number pin of marks 0 is connect to A0. See, 0 number pin of marks 1 is connect to A1, 0 number pin of A2 is connect to A2, and 0 number pin of marks 3 is connect to A3. That means all the 0 pin, when it is 0 0, all the 0 pin will be select, and the 0 pin can, and this 4 multiplexer can forward the value of A0, B0, C0, sorry, A0, A1, A2, A3. These four values can copied through marks 0, marks 1, marks 2, marks 3 to the 4-bit common bus, 4-line common bus system. See, is a 4-line common bus system. That means for 0 0, A register will be copied to common line bus. When 0 1, B register can copy to common bus. When 1 0, then C register can copy to common bus, and for 1 1 is the D register can copy to common bus. Okay, is okay. Next, C is the truth table. Is the truth table, that is 0 0, A will be select, 0 1 B, C, D. Okay, just try for better understanding, just try this diagram by own in your copy. Okay, just draw this diagram by you. Just draw this diagram to in your on your rough copy, and just try to execute by using this defined type of a selection line, that is a 0 0 0 1 1 0 or 1 1. Then you can easily understand what is the actual function of this multiplexer. Okay, so next topic is the tri-state buffer method. Construction the common bus with tri-state buffer. Okay, tri-state buffer. At first, we have to know what is tri-state buffer. Tri-state buffer is a device which use the three different state. That's why it's called a tri-state. That means three state. Three state means one input state, one output state, and one control unit. Okay. What is the function procedure? The function of this tri-state device can be controlled through the control signal. That means when control signal is 0, when the control is 0, that means the device, the tri-state buffer cannot produce any result. Okay, we know that in binary system there is only two values, 0 or 1. That means when a device when a device is active, it will produce 1. When it deactive, it produce 0. We already know. But in that case, if we consider this tri-state buffer, this tri-state buffer is giving the output 0. Okay, that means whether this device is inactive or it actually produce the 0. That means 0 is the data. So the ambiguity will be created. Okay, that means whether the actual whether the value of x is 0 or the device is inactive. Okay, so control unit, when the control unit is 1, control unit give the 1 to this tri-state buffer, the buffer will forward this input x to the output. See this part, that is y is equal to x if c is equal to 1. That means when the control is 1, then it will forward the input value to its output unit. Okay, otherwise if the control unit is 0, then the output is in high impedance state. That means it does not carry any value. Okay, that is it's like the inactive. It's a very crucial thing. That's whether the value is 0 or 1, or is active or inactive. There will be more. There is a complicated situation. So C is a control unit, which when the control unit hit the tri-state buffer, then tri-state buffer forward the data to output. If it's not hit the buffer, then buffer will inactive state. Is clear? Is the basic funda of the tri-state buffer. Okay, so when a register, consider is a register A is the channel. Okay, the value of A is copied to the common line when the C is 1. Otherwise uh, it will carry, it does not carry anything. Okay, is a tri-state buffer. Tri-state buffer is very important thing. Okay, next, so is that diagram how the data from one register can copy to the common line. Okay, just I minimize the picture for complete visuality. Okay, see, is a register is a A0, A1, A0, B0, C0, D0. Okay, same as another a diagram which contain A1, B1, C1, D1. Okay, same as A2, B2, C2, D2. All the bits of all the registers. Okay, first when decoder select 0 0, 0 0, that means in this decoder this pin will be active. Okay, same as in the down part there is another decoder, same value 0 0, then first pin will be active. Next at decoder 1, decoder 2, decoder 3, decoder 4, all the decoder are selecting its first pin means it can select the A0. That means the tie state buffer of A0 pin will active, and the output y will forward the value of A0, same as output y of next decoder, the output the input A1 will forward to this output, same as is common line can contain A0, A1, A2, A3, like this. Okay, for 0 1, same as it select the B path for 0 1. For 1 0 it will select the C, or 1 1 it will select the D. So this type of data can be forward. Okay, see this diagram. Okay, is a decoder is a decoder 1, decoder 2, decoder 3, decoder 4. Okay, is a A0, B0, C0, D0, A1, B1, C1, D1, A2, B2, C2, D2, A3, B3, C3, D3. When all are 0 0, that means A0 will transfer, A1 will be transferred, A2 will be transferred, A3 will be transferred. Okay, for the case of 0 1, B1 B0 will be transferred, B1 will be transferred, B2 will be transferred, B3 will be transferred. For 1 0, C0 will be transferred, C1, C2, C3. For 1 1, D0, D1, D2, D3. So according to our control logic, the okay, according to the control logic, the actual the register will be select and the value will be forwarded. Okay, so it's everything for today's class. Student, if you like the video, then press a like. Okay, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you, students.